Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up and add your website to Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a critical reporting and analysis tool for your website. It's free. It basically tells you how your website is doing in Google, and it gives you a whole bunch of additional information. So what you want to do is go over to Google and search for Google Search Console. Press enter and you'll be provided this link here, which is google.com/webmasters/tools. Click the link and you'll be taken to a sign up page. Well, in this case, it's asking me to log in with the Gmail account that I want to use or to attach the service to. And this would be the one that you have attached analytics to. It may be the one that you're adding your Google My Business account to. Just try to stick with one primary Google account to attach all of your Google services to. So I'm going to click sign in. And right, here we are. Welcome to Search Console. And there is a helpful video to watch, but in this case here, I know what to do. I want to add this website to Search Console so Google starts to tell me all about it. So I copy the URL, go back here and paste it in. And you can see there's a drop down here that says website or Android app. In this case, it's just a website. There it is, put in the URL and click add a property. So once you've added your website to Google Search Console, it's going to go to the verification screen. Now, what the process of verification is all about is making sure that you, only a verified owner of the site, has access to the site. Because if you can add your website to a Google Search Console account, you have the ability to impact the site's performance by doing things like blocking it from the search results, etc. So this is how people hack sites sometimes. They gain access to your Search Console account and then do things like tell Google not to crawl your site. So in this case here, we've got to be very careful about the verification process. There are a couple of different methods. In this case here, Google is offering to verify the account using Google Analytics. Now, if you're an admin of your Google Analytics account and you're adding the Search Console account to that Gmail account that you created, that Google account, this is a good method. You can click verify, and given that you have placed the analytics code on the site, you're adding a Search Console account, it will then go and verify and approve your ownership of that site. In this case, I'm just going to choose an alternative method just to show you some of the other options. There are a number of different options here. One is to upload a file to your server. The assumption is if you've got access to the server, you are the owner of the site. In this case here, I'm going to use the HTML tag option because that's a pretty common alternative. So in this case here, it wants me to copy this code and place it on my website. So I'm just going to go Control-C. Now I'm going to log into the back end of my training portal, and different CMSs or website software platforms will give you different ways of doing this. In this case here, my software has asked me or given me the option to add some code to the website. So I'm just going to add it in the top there. There's a logged in option and a logged out, and I'll click save. I'll click save here as well just to make sure. Now I'll just show you what that looks like on the website. So if I go to my actual website, I just click refresh. Now what I'm going to do is view the source, view the page source, and I'll show you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this bit of text here on that page, which would indicate that this code has been placed on the page. So I go up here and I search for, there it is, Google-site, boom. And you can see down here, there is code on the page that is the Google site verification code. So what I can do now is, once I've added that code, I come back here and I click verify. That's it. Congratulations, you've successfully verified your ownership of that account. Continue. And that's how you verify your website ownership in Google Search Console. And now I have access to all of this information about my website.